A healthy engine depends on many small components working together, and one of the most overlooked is the PCV valve. When this tiny valve fails, it can quietly cause rough idling, oil leaks, poor fuel economy, and even serious engine damage. In this video, you'll learn what a PCV valve does, the most common bad PCV valve symptoms, additional warning signs many drivers miss, and how to test and fix the problem before it becomes expensive. Before we continue, if you find car repair explanations like this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. What a PCV valve does. PCV stands for Positive Crankcase Ventilation. It is one of the oldest and most widely used emission control devices in automobiles. As your engine runs, combustion gases leak past the piston rings into the crankcase. These gases, called blow-by gases, increase pressure inside the engine and contaminate the oil if they are not removed. The PCV valve uses engine vacuum to pull these gases out of the crankcase and route them through a hose into the intake manifold. There, the gases mix with the air-fuel mixture and are burned again during combustion instead of being released into the atmosphere. Another critical role of the PCV valve is moisture control. When the engine heats up and cools down, condensation forms inside the crankcase. Engine oil additives can absorb some moisture, but over time, especially with short trips, the additives become overwhelmed. Excess moisture leads to sludge buildup, corrosion, and internal engine damage. The PCV system removes this moisture by drawing vapor out of the crankcase and sending it into the intake to be burned off safely. Symptom of a bad or failing PCV valve. Symptom 1. Whistling or hissing noise. One of the most common signs of a bad PCV valve is a whistling, hissing, or moaning sound from the engine. This usually indicates a vacuum leak caused by a cracked PCV hose or a valve stuck open. A quick way to confirm this is to temporarily block the PCV vacuum source. If the noise changes or disappears, the PCV valve is likely the problem. Ignoring this can lead to misfires, rough running, and other performance issues. Symptom 2. Check engine light. A failing PCV valve can trigger the check engine light, especially on modern vehicles. Common trouble codes associated with PCV problems include P0171, System 2 lean, P0300, random or multiple cylinder misfire, P052E, PCV regulator valve performance, P053A, PCV heater circuit malfunction. These codes do not guarantee the PCV valve is faulty, but they are strong indicators that the PCV system should be inspected before replacing parts. Symptom 3 and 4. Misfire and rough idle. A bad PCV valve often causes engine misfires, especially at idle. This happens when unmetered air enters the intake, throwing off the air-fuel mixture. Misfires may feel like shaking or vibration while the vehicle is stopped. Because the PCV valve directly affects airflow, a faulty valve can also act like an intake air leak, causing rough idle, surging RPMs, or unusually high idle speed. If this video is helping you understand your engine better, support the channel by giving it a like and sharing it with someone who might be dealing with similar symptoms. Symptom 5. Oil leaks and high oil consumption. If the PCV valve or its hoses are clogged, pressure builds up inside the crankcase. With nowhere else to escape, this pressure forces oil past seals and gaskets. Common leak points include valve cover gaskets and crankshaft seals. You may also notice increased oil consumption and oil puddles under your vehicle. Symptom 6. Lean or rich condition and poor fuel economy. A malfunctioning PCV valve disrupts the air-fuel ratio calculated by the engine control unit. A PCV valve stuck open allows excess air into the engine, causing a lean condition. A blocked PCV valve can contribute to a rich mixture. Both conditions reduce fuel economy and engine efficiency. Symptom 7 and 8. Exhaust smoke and poor acceleration. When crankcase pressure forces oil into the combustion chamber, the oil burns and produces blue smoke from the exhaust. This is the most common PCV-related smoke symptom. Black smoke may appear if the engine runs rich, while light white vapor can appear during cold starts. An unstable air-fuel mixture also causes poor or rough acceleration, hesitation, and lack of power. especially at low RPMs. Extra warning signs people miss. Some additional signs of a failing PCV system include sludge buildup under the oil cap, milky residue caused by moisture contamination, oil or fuel smells inside the cabin. These are strong indicators that the PCV system is no longer working properly. How to test a PCV valve? Before we begin testing, it's important to understand that PCV valves do not all look the same. Depending on the engine design and manufacturer, PCV valves come in different shapes and configurations. Some are small metal push-in valves that fit into a rubber grommet. Others are plastic inline valves that connect between two hoses. Some use a twist lock or quarter-turn design. In many modern engines, the PCV system is integrated directly into the valve cover and cannot be replaced separately. So if your PCV valve looks different from the one shown in this video, that is completely normal. The design may vary, but the function remains the same, regulating crankcase pressure and routing blow-by gases back into the intake system. Now let's move on to inspecting and testing the valve. Start by inspecting the PCV valve grommet. The valve must seal tightly to the valve cover. If the rubber grommet is cracked, hardened, or loose, it can cause vacuum leaks and oil seepage, so replace it if necessary. Next, inspect the PCV hoses carefully. Over time, these hoses can crack, swell, harden, or collapse internally due to constant oil exposure. If a hose feels brittle, soft, or restricted, replace it with an OEM-style molded hose. Now let's perform a simple mechanical check, the shake test. Most PCV valves are attached to a rubber hose. Gently wiggle the valve out of the grommet and detach it from the hose. Do not be concerned if the valve looks dirty or coated with oil residue. That is completely normal because it handles blow-by gases and oil vapors. Appearance alone does not determine whether the valve is good or bad. Once removed, shake the valve gently. At this point, listen carefully to the sound comparison. First, here is the sound of the old PCV valve removed from the vehicle. Now, here is the sound of the brand new PCV valve. Notice the difference in sharpness and tone. A properly functioning PCV valve should produce a clear, sharp metallic rattling sound, indicating that the internal pintle is moving freely. Both valves may produce a rattling sound. However, a brand new valve typically sounds louder and sharper because the internal components are clean and the spring tension is strong. An older valve may still rattle, but the sound can be dull, weaker, or slightly sluggish due to carbon buildup or wear. Even if it rattles, it may no longer regulate crankcase pressure properly. If the valve produces no sound at all when shaken or feels stuck internally, it is likely clogged and should be replaced immediately. Keep in mind that the shake test mainly applies to traditional metal PCV valves. Some plastic inline valves or diaphragm-style PCV systems may not rattle when shaken, but can still function normally. Remember, the shake test only confirms mechanical movement. It does not guarantee proper operation under engine vacuum. If your vehicle shows symptoms like rough idle, oil leaks, or a check engine light, replacement is usually the safest option. Finally, check for moisture contamination. Milky or cloudy residue inside the valve or hoses indicates moisture buildup. In this case, replace the PCV valve and change the engine oil. Frequent short trips increase moisture accumulation inside the crankcase. How to fix, replace, and final advice. Replacing a PCV valve is usually straightforward. Most valves either pull straight out of a rubber grommet, twist out with a quarter turn, or unscrew from the valve cover. Always compare the old and new valve before installation to ensure the correct design and fit. Some modern engines use a fixed PCV restrictor built into the valve cover. In those cases, the entire valve cover assembly may need to be replaced. When installing the new valve, make sure the grommet is properly seated and the hose connections are tight. Even a small vacuum leak can cause drivability issues. Driving with a faulty PCV valve for an extended period is not recommended. It can lead to oil leaks, sludge buildup, poor fuel economy, rough idle, increased emissions, and even serious engine damage due to excessive crankcase pressure. Now let's talk about cost. Replacement typically costs between $80 and $250, depending on the vehicle design and labor access. In many vehicles, the part itself is inexpensive. but labor may increase the total cost if the valve is difficult to access. Most manufacturers recommend inspection or replacement every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, especially for vehicles that make frequent short trips. A healthy PCV valve keeps crankcase pressure under control, prevents oil contamination, and helps maintain overall engine efficiency. Catching the problem early can save you from expensive repairs down the road. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more simple and practical car repair guides.